Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Your voice will record 3 times then of mine. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Go with energy and we'll keep it towards them. To stand in your place. Come on. Okay, so what I am going to say is fire on the mountain, run, run, run. Imagine there is a fire on the mountain and I am saying you run, run, run. You have to run across, yes, but be sure that you have to play safe and you are not hurting yourself. Whenever I say, class, you have to form classes, a group on the base of your classes. So I'll give you these small instructions in between. To form groups in between. It's okay? Fine? Clear to everyone? Fine. So let me count myself. So fire on the mountain. Come on guys, run! You know the quote, birds of the same feather flock together? आसानी से हम उन लोगों के साथ घुल मिल जाते हैं जो हमारे जैसे होते हैं. So the first learning is always try to catch up with those people who are like you or who are like-minded. If you are looking for a career growth, then we should always gel together with those kind of person who are career oriented. This is what the main objective of this particular activity we were doing.